As we said in the introduction, with most shots over 100 yards, our dispersion is going to be wider than the actual green. So we can see here we've got the pin in the middle of the green and we have our target set at the pin. So our dispersion is perfectly centered. Because the dispersion is wider than the green, we've missed 4 shots either side. But because there's no major trouble, there's no reason to change this alignment at all. If, however, that water on the left was closer to the green, using the same target would put the 4 shots that missed the green to the left in the water, which is of course going to cost us shots. The solution here is to simply shift our target to the right. We can now see that the 4 shots that were in the water are now on the green. We will miss more shots to the right, but at least they're in play and not costing us any penalty shots. So the target here would actually be the right edge of the green, which may not seem to be the most logical solution. But if we look at average scores on the PGA Tour when the pin is on the front, it demonstrates perfectly that this is exactly what good players do. The front pin position on the PGA Tour has the highest scoring average, and the reason for this is that golfers are trying to attack pins, and when the centre of your dispersion is at the front, the shots that come up short are going to miss the green. However, when there is water short, the average score improves, which doesn't seem to make sense until you understand that the good golfers are aiming past the pin to avoid the water. This of course begs the question, why wouldn't golfers always aim past the pin when it's on the front if it's going to give you a better average score? So to summarise what we learned from this first lesson is that a priority when picking our targets with approach shots is to identify the position of penalty hazards and aim away from them.